Hello everyone. Today I'm here with my next video on the chapter Reach for the Top. This is part 2, which is based on Maria Sharapova. Maria, a Russian girl, reached the summit of women's tennis when she was barely 18. That means she was not exactly 18, and at a very young age of 18, she reached the pinnacle, the summit of the women's tennis. And through this chapter, we get to learn that where there is will, there is a way. Also, we get to learn life is not a bed of roses. We have to face all the obstacles, but with determination and courage. Let us do the question and answers. Question 1. The 9-year-old girl had already learned an important lesson in life, that tennis excellence would only come at a price. Let us quickly see the answer. The fast growth of Maria's career started 9 years ago when she made a big sacrifice which can be made by very few children of that young age. She had not even turned 10 when she was sent to Florida, USA, with her father for training in tennis. She was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother Yelena. Maria's mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she did not have the permit to travel the US. Question 2. What does Maria recall? Recall means recollect or remember. Let us see the answer. Maria recollects that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot. Her father worked hard to fetch money for her needs, and so he also could not meet her. But she became determined and mentally tough. She learned how to take care of her own self. Let us see the next question. What are Maria's interests and hobbies? Answer. Like other teenagers her age, Maria's favorite pastime are fashion, singing and dancing. She likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle, and who is also the creator of Sherlock Holmes. She likes to wear fashionable evening gowns. Looking at her fit body, it is unbelievable that she likes to eat pancakes with chocolate spread and drink aerated orange flavored drinks. Next question. How and when did Sharapova reach the pinnacle? On Monday, 22nd August 2005, Maria found herself to the world number 1 position in women's tennis. All this happened in almost just no time. Poised beyond her years, the Siberian-born teenager took just 4 years as a professional to reach the pinnacle. Answer. Question 5. What has lifted her to the top of the world? Let us see the answer. Maria's talent, her unwavering desire, that is never decreasing, never stirring or moving, very strong desire to succeed and readiness to sacrifice have lifted her to the top of the world. Few would grudge her the richness she is now reaping. This is what she has to say about her monetary gains from tennis. She says, of course, money is a motivation. Tennis is a business and a sport, but the most important thing is to become number 1 in the world. That's the dream that kept me going. So these are the words of Maria Sharapova, who always wanted to be on the top of the world. Let us see question 6. What made Sharapova determined and mentally tough? Maria was lonely and missed her mother a lot. She was so young and was made to work hard by other tennis players. She would go off to sleep at 8 p.m. The other students would return at 11 and would wake her up, ordering her to clean the room. Maria did not get depressed by all this. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. When a person has nothing, he craves and becomes determined to get it. She says that she would have borne greater humiliations and insults also in order to achieve her dream. Question 7. What is Maria's mantra for success? Toughness runs through Maria's blood. She reached to the world's number one position because of her toughness and determination. She had no room for sentiments. She was very competitive, she worked hard, and it is her mantra for success. Write the names of Maria's father and mother. Maria's father is Yuri and mother is Yelena. Let us see question 9. What shows that Maria is a patriot? Maria's speech has an American accent, but she is proud to be a Russian. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in the core of her heart, she is a Russian. She holds the citizenship of Russia. Her ancestors are Russians and she is willing to represent Russia at Olympics too. So these were the question and answers. I have covered the whole chapter. All the points have been covered. Please go through it. And if you go through any queries, please write it in the comment section. And yes, if you have still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Do take good care of yourself. Bye bye.